Hello, fellow traders. Hello, hello. So, mic is working finally. Hello, hello, Nahid. Hey, you're number one. You're the first one. I just started the stream. You're already here. How you doing? I'm all right. I'm okay. Doing great. I was quite busy today. And since you're the only one in the chat, tell me how's the stream? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Is everything okay? But for now, the stream is going to be quite short today because currency pairs are going to be closed really soon. The market is closing in just like, what, an hour and a half or like an hour. So we're going to start right away, right away. All right, so Euro GPY, good uptrend. We have resistance line that the price couldn't break through. We have triangle there, basically. So if we pass it, we will fly. Who stole my stochastic? Who stole it? Give it back. Stop stealing candlesticks and stochastics. Stop that. But yeah, so most probably we're gonna go. We're going. So deal for an upward trend. Let me explain. Euro GPY 3-minute expiration time using $50. What do we see here? We hear amazing uptrend. Really sorry from like being so freaking fast, but we don't really have much time because when currency pairs the market is going to be closed, the game is going to be over. So right now we have good payout and we need to start. So here we have an upwards going moving a trend somewhere here. Yeah, the support level, I would say here. Yeah, let's make it thick. Make it thick with 3 C's. So what do we have? We have a situation where we have the pattern triangle. What? Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah, make it thick. Triangle pattern. And when the triangle is broken through, we are working according to the movement of the price. And the price is obviously moving upwards. And I'm going back to the chat and saying hello to everybody who's already here. Hey, Alice. Hello, hello. How you doing? Everything's okay. That's great. How was the trading, Nahid? If you've been working today, tell me how did it go? The most sincere and straightforward binary option trader I've seen so far. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. And probably the most crazy one. Hello, madam. Everything's okay. Great, Ali. Thank you. Reem, Sophia. Hi. Hello. Find the draw support level. I want to draw them all the time, but I'm just so lazy. I'm trying my best to put them on the chart for you two guys see clearly what I'm talking about. I'll try better. I'm trying my best, but I will try better. Hey, Alice, first time catching one of your lives. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. Happy to see you here. I guess it's probably because today we're really late, but hopefully it's gonna be an amazing stream, so you won't be sad about that being here. So yesterday, I talked about getting money out of the account, and I didn't because I didn't have that much time. But as you remember, yesterday, last deal was opened for a whole hour. Last time when we had a stream, yesterday, 1 hour, and this deal is closed in black. And someone in the chat yesterday told me that I would say goodbye to my profit, and look at me. Look at me. It was perfect. It was amazing. I got the money, and not even once the price went higher than the entry point of our deal. So we got our profit. And the first deal of today is also closed in black. And speaking of 1 hour deals, I guess it's too late for today. Maybe we will enter for one more, because as I said, I want to learn how to work with 1 hour expiration time and 10-minute time frame. Because you know, yeah, that one 10-minute time frame. It is amazing in terms of getting rid of excess noise on the chart. So I think the ability to work with 10-minute time frame is really cool. So let me delete all of that, because maybe in the future, it's gonna change. So first profit is there. Moving on to something else. Trying to be fast as hell right now for you to see more things. So USD here, we had something sort of like a flat. Then we had an uptrend. Now sort of like a downtrend. Not really obvious. What can I do here? Maybe I can wait for some pullback and enter into a deal for a downward trend, but not enough confirmation. Only if the price reaches this level. So most probably in 10 minutes, nothing's gonna happen there. But everything can change at any second, so we will go back to that a bit later. Euro GBP. We have downtrend with pullbacks. There was something fucking weird there. A noose? I don't know. I don't see anything obvious just yet. For an upward trend, definitely not working with that because the structure of a downtrend, even with this double bottom, don't see the point of working against the trend. Euro dollar. I actually looked at this one today already. Yeah, there was like a really good resistance level. Go to 5-minute time frame. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, so this resistance, I saw it and I wanted to try to catch a deal with that, but time has passed. Time has passed and I lost the moment, so I will try to find something else here. Or on 1-minute time frame, actually, if we can see it as a pullback, then the price is actually at the same level. What I don't like here is that the structure of uptrend on 1-minute time frame is broken through already, because this movement downwards broke through the previous low. Too risky, even though we are in a hurry. Not gonna risk that much. AUDGP. Here we have really powerful downtrend, then there was an uptrend started, and right now the price is in consolidation. Generally, the structure of an uptrend is not broken through, but it doesn't look like an uptrend at this moment, because I think the price might drop back to the support level. I think, yeah, the logical idea would be to work with an uptrend. So that means right now I'm not going to work with it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little notification when the price is going to reach this level. We will think about going for an upward trend. Because we have this first pullback ended, then the price grew, and then it worked twice from this level. And also we have equal lows there. So I definitely don't want to work from the resistance level. Let me put it as a visual representation for y'all guys. See, I don't do that because it takes time. And when I want to work fast, which I try to do that on streams, I don't really have time for that. All right. This is the support. And it is so uncomfortable. It is so uncomfortable to work with a touchpad. But yeah, so this is how it looks. Let me make it a thick for you. Basically, we have the support and resistance levels right here. Can you not? All right. Okay, thank you. Why is everything so bad right now? Yeah, let it be 5. Okay, it's thick with 5 C's. So here you see the support and resistance levels right here and right there, and we are waiting for the price to go down to the support level, and after that we will work with it with the direction of an uptrend. Basically, it is what it is, but right now, yeah, we need to wait. Let's move on to something else. GBP USD. There was a good uptrend and a really, really sharp drop. Don't really know if I should open a deal for a downward trend because on one hand we see huge momentum here, but we also see this dodgy candlestick, meaning that there is resistance of buyers, but I don't see a level from which I could enter into a deal for an upward trend. So no obvious entry points. AUD USD. Speaking of support and resistance levels, don't forget that it's not a straight line, it's a level, so the level is usually thicker and bigger. Okay, so AUD USD, nothing interesting. A lot of jagged trends and broken trends, actually. Most probably we are gonna work with flats today. These trends do not look good. Probably some news events happening right now again. So the price is reaching this level. But in this case, I don't think this level means anything. You know, means nothing. GBP AUD, similar situation, great uptrend, and then it just like drops. And payouts become smaller and smaller. So I'll have to work with a smaller payout. Alright, the structure of an uptrend is not broken through right here. Trend was quite powerful, quite good. What do we see here? See, again, the huge momentum, so I don't want to work with that. It's also like a bit scary because you never know what's going to happen next with just one candlestick. Okay, here we also have a triangle. We have good uptrend and this resistance line. Let me show you. Let me show you. Again, I'm using horizontal lines just because it's faster. Stop doing that, please move, thank you. But you're not supposed to see it as a thin line. It's a level. It's like it's a level. It's not like this, it's like that, you know. And most probably we will do a deal for an upward trend, but I still have a little bit more time to put everything on the chart for you to see. So yeah, we can say something like that. Listen, when we have a pattern of triangle, we're waiting for a breakthrough. Right now, yes, this candlestick is closed higher than the level of our resistance level, but resistance, as I told you, it is not a thin line, it's like a thick level. So basically, right now, the price, even though it's outside of the line and it looks like a breakthrough, it is still not enough of a confirmation for us to go for an upward trend in this situation. Generally, when we have so many currency pairs with bad charts, I actually give myself some abilities in situations like this one to enter into a deal for a downward trend because the price could actually reach the trend line. But in this case, we have a really good uptrend. I don't know. So probably it's going to reach the trend line and then like dance around in this triangle. Generally, we could do that, but it's a really good uptrend, so I don't want to work against it, you know. Who stole the candlestick? Stop that. Stop it. Stop stealing from me. I'm giving you so much for free. Why are you stealing from me? Joking. All right, here we have our triangle in the past. So right now price moved back to this level and it's dancing around that level. So if the jump is going to happen, we will probably enter into a deal for an upward trend, but it's too early to judge. So we will move on. USD GB. No, just no. Euro GBP. Why does that happen? Like, I was trying to, like, you know, give you a interesting stream to get like a couple of deals and la la la, but the entry points just don't exist. Don't exist. So potentially here I see a Euro GPY. We need to wait for a deal for an upward trend. And where did we have another one? Which one was that with the triangle pattern? Yeah, this one, CHF GPY. So we have two currency pairs where I'm actually interested in something happening. So here we are waiting for the price to reach the trend line and then do a deal for an upward trend, most probably. And the second currency pair that I'm interested in, Euro GPY. So two of them, potential entry points, but for now we don't really have anything else, so I can go back to the chat and talk to you guys. I have some time to talk to you guys. Aw, Alice, hi, how are you? Hi. Hey, hello, relaxing. I'm doing great. Unfortunately, today the stream is really late, so I'm trying to find as many entry points as possible, but the market is like against me. Fucking bitch. Fucking bitch. How you doing? How you doing? How you calm yourself down during a trading? Do I look like I'm calm? Do I? Do I look like I am? I don't think so. I saw 1 year ago, resection video. That's really amazing. Oh, that's great. Which one are you talking about? If you remember, because I don't know. I don't work with price action in terms of my videos for quite a while. I haven't done those. So which one are you talking about? But if you don't remember, it's okay. Ali. Okay, so on one hand, yes, but on the other hand, different traders, they are drawing too many levels and they kind of get in the way. Which, speaking of which, is it happening? All right, it is happening. So, next deal, Euro GPY, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. The price went back to this level. And I'm hoping that right now we will get really good impulse movement upwards, and we're working according to the trend. And also Stochastic gives us a signal as well. So question about levels. Yes, on one hand, you can draw all the levels possible, but more often it actually interferes with your analysis. So you're looking at this trend. What can you say? You have resistance right here. Then right here also the level a bit lower, so there's just going to be so many levels. It's going to be like 50 levels, and it's going to be impossible for you to analyze. It's called analysis paralysis, actually. When you analyze it too much, the chart is going to be impossible to read and to analyze. So there is no point of drawing each in every level. My opinion is working with closest level to the situation that's going on the market. So for example, here we can put level right here. Come here, horizontal line. Almost at the right point. That's great. Somewhere here. So this level for us means something, right? Just because the price was around this level recently. So we understand that the second level was kind of higher a little bit. We can put it right here or right there, for example. But in this case, this level, second level, doesn't mean anything for us because we are looking at the main one that we're working with right now. So in my opinion, the most important thing is to put visual on the chart only of the level that you are working with right now. If you're working with support and resistance all the time, and you should just like work with current situation, because again, it's just gonna pollute the chart and you won't be able to analyze anything correctly. We have 50 seconds left, and I feel like the price is gonna touch the level again. Ooh. I don't like that. I want the price to rise. Rise. Slay your enemies. I'm going crazy today. I'm so sorry. I'm completely crazy. So sorry. Can you draw a rise? Just almost said drop. Crazy. Stupid idiot. But yeah, we have 16 seconds left. It is rising. I'm not a big fan of it rising so slow. Stop that. I am a fan. You are doing great, sweetie. You're doing amazing. I am a proud mother. I'm so proud of you. You're doing amazing. Thank you, sweetie. Love you. And look at it. It dropped immediately. I actually think that we can do another deal for an upward trend here as well. Yeah, see, like the price is still rising because it touched the level and it's being pushed upwards again. It is a bit too late because it's like too high, but Stochastic still gives us the signal. I think it is too late. But I mean, $50. No, no, it's like it's flying high. I should have made that decision earlier, and the second deal would be also closed in black. But it is what it is. General direction was read correctly. That's great. Analysis was correct. You can never earn all the money in the world. So right here we use DGPY. We have some sort of level here. Let's look at 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm here. Oh my god. 5 minute time frame. It looks like that. All right. So we had an uptrend. There started the structural downtrend. Then it grew, and right here we kind of have like a flat. Basically, we have support and resistance levels. Come here. Oh, speaking of which, guys, again, mind you, I'm gonna repeat myself so many times. This is just a line because it's comfortable for me. It's convenient to just pick a line. But a level should not be a line. It should be a zone. But it just takes a while for me to put them on the chart. So, looking at what we have right now. I think we have inverted hammer here. The previous candlestick, generally good reversal pattern. Additional confirmation would be good. That would be amazing. Amazing. Stochastic is close to giving us confirmation, but not there yet. It should be pushed even a little more because we need more momentum, more potential from sellers. Show me potential. It's gonna be risky because there is so little momentum. Well, I mean, in the past, it was like the same kind of situation. Yeah, there is no, like, huge impulse movement there. Anywho, so, what is you doing? We need to wait for just a couple of seconds. Most probably, there is going to be a deal for a downward trend. Somewhere here, I'm going to put a notification. When the price reaches it, we will get notification. And we will get into a deal for a downward trend on a currency pair USD GPY. Or there might be a breakthrough. But basically, not enough confirmation for any of those deals, even though I really want to work with this currency pair. 92% payout is amazing. Amazing. Oh, and it's being pushed right now. Should I? Should I? There is going to be impulse. Doesn't matter which side the price is going to choose, growing or dropping. Which is a bit interesting, but a bit scary. Euro GBP. Here we had jagged bullshit, but basically we had structure of downtrend, which right here was broken. And here's something sort of like an uptrend started, and the price is pushing this support line again. And momentum is being lost. So most probably there's going to be a deal for an upward trend on Euro GBP. Get ready if you're working with me. Get ready, get ready. Let me put you a visual. A visual. I'm gonna show you the right way how to do it. I'm gonna be real slow, you know, but do my best. So this is how should support and resistant levels look like. But right now we will look at what's going on and see if the price is gonna rise and if we're gonna get any confirmation. We will go into a deal for an upward trend. But here with USD GPY, no impulse. No impulse. It's like dancing around the line, around the level, not growing. So basically, I believe that it's gonna drop, but we still do not have any confirmation. My thoughts are my thoughts. I'm not like queen of the market. So I'm not freaking around. Here the price tested it. It tested the level because see, like it was losing momentum. They became like smaller and smaller. The shadows were like really big, and there was supposed to be a reversal, but it's being pushed downwards. It's still in the level, in the zone. Nothing happening. Nothing is happening. What the hell? Payouts dropped drastically. Just destroyed everything. We have 3 currency pairs with normal payout. That's bad. That's so bad. So bad. If I won't find any good entry points, most probably we're gonna end the stream with just 2 deals today. 2 deals, but I'm so energetic to do some shit, you know. Upsetting. Euro GPY. We have a lower high right here. Higher high, and there is a lower high. So if the price is gonna drop to this level, I'm not sure if I want to work with an uptrend here, because this looks like there could be reversal and the price could actually drop. But again, no confirmation, nothing. USD GPY, nothing happening. Can you do something? Can you please just do something? I don't see the point of risking. That's the problem. We kind of have bearish engulfing candlestick pattern because the red candlestick absorbing the green one, but the candlesticks are so small, you cannot say it's engulfing, you know? Yeah, so this is a good example of engulfing candlestick pattern where candlesticks are big enough, good enough, showing us momentum. Not the best example, you know, but still. And here, it's like there is engulfing, but it's so small. Generally, freak it. Freakity-diggity. I clicked it. What is going on? Thank you, Quodex. The fuck? That happened one time, actually. It, like, I clicked it, and it didn't show up. You clicked it again, and you have 2 deals. This time, I waited. Yeah, and we have notification from this currency pair. Anywho, so USD GPY currency pair 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for a downward trend. And I'm going back to the chat. So guys, I don't think we're gonna have a lot of deals today. So if you have any questions, ask them, ask away. We have nothing else to do. I have time to talk to you. Today market's not so good. It was okay during the day. It was fine. I'm filming a video today. We had a session and it was going quite well. But this is the end of the day, you know, and at the end of the day, usually it is like that. Hey, how can I set time, fixed time in real market? Just click right there. Just click the time and you choose the time needed. That's it. You can switch time and it's going to be until what time the deal is going to be working. You click switch again and you choose expiration time. That's it. Stop that. Stop that. You fucking bitch. Going back to the chat. I think you're uncommon funny during trading. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Especially when everything goes so good like it is going right now. Every trader do this. Question, how many days a week do you trade in, or how many hours? I work 5 days a week because I don't work on the weekend. How many hours? I don't know, it depends actually. It depends on how the trading goes during the day. So typically I have profit target, and when I reach it, I stop trading. Sometimes it can take like 3 hours, like good session, 1 good session, and I can finish it, right? But since I'm streaming, when I'm streaming, I add like additional hour every day when I'm streaming, not every day. And my personal trading 2-3 hours, depends on the situation. Last 10 seconds, really kidding me? So the time, I know. It's like it happens so many times when the price is fucking around. Race for success and breakthrough. That was your name. Oh my god. It's funny. Hey, Andrew. Thank you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am funny. Use DGPY. The deal is closed in black. I actually expected like more aggressive movement downwards, but that was enough for us to close the deal in black. Doing good, doing great. Me. Euro. G, B, G, B, P. What's going on? Did the price went outside of the level? Retested it and it's going down right now. What? I'm confusion. I'm changing my opinion. Maybe on Euro GBP there's going to be a deal for a downward trend. It's a weird retest, but yeah, we're working against the Stochastic because there was powerful movement downwards. Should I? Oh, fuck it. Why not? We don't really have any other currency pairs, so... So, let me explain the logic. We have downtrend, then this downtrend was broken through. We see right there was a change of character at this level, and that peak broke through the previous maximum, and after which the price dropped lower, actually. And what happened now? The price broke through our level. There was like micro nano retest, and it might drop even lower, continue this downtrend, which I thought was supposed to end after that peak, but might not, or I made a mistake. We will find out if I was wrong or right after 2 minutes. And by the way, freaking freak, I completely forgot to show you analytics, because we always have someone who's interested in analytics of these streams. So in a month, $1,853. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get to 2,000 today, unfortunately. But during the week, let's look at the week. We didn't have many. We had what? 3? And 87 for today. It's not counting the last deal, by the way. But yeah, that was the... Why? Did I fuck it up? Did I fuck it up? I think I did. I think I did fuck it up. Smells bad. It looks bad. It smells bad. Could it be a huge retest? Like a deep retest? I don't know. I don't know. I don't like that. Do I want to open the deal for an upward trend? No, I don't. I don't wanna. I still think the price is gonna go down. Maybe I chose the wrong point. We started so well. Everything was so good, but we fucked it up. Whoopsie daisy do. But since we have only 3 currency pairs, we don't really have time. Let's not wait for those 40 seconds. Let's look at other currency pairs, and if we find something, we will enter into a deal. Why I'm saying that? Because usually I'm waiting for the deal to be closed, and only after that I open another one. But for now, I think we should move on. And I just lost a good deal right there. Yeah, that looked amazing. And I'm definitely not working with that resistance against the trend. Not doing that. I don't want to do that. Perfectly, I would open USD GPY. Something. I would do something. Maybe we will catch another one from the same level. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Bitch. We could have entered into a deal for an upward trend, but I don't want to work against the trend, because if you look at the structure, there was huge impulse. But I guess, I don't know. The uptrend was supposed to be formed, and the price was pushed downwards. Maybe that was a fucking retest. I still believe that the price is gonna do the fucking duty reversal. So I'm not looking into deals for an upward trend here. No. Oh my God, payouts are awful. Waffle. Nasty. And I don't even see any entry points here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. Meh. 76% bound. That's embarrassing. We have jagged uptrend. So weird. Weird pullback. No. Just no. No setups for me. 76% payout. Ugh. Here we have resistance level. Do we have anything that proves that it's going to be a good idea to work with it? Generally, we do have resistance here. Do I want to work with it? I don't think so. Like, I'm just not sure from which level should be the zone. Because see, like, we have that top, and the level is going to be really, really big. So for us, the probability of this deal being closed in black is not really high. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a notification right here. So if the price is going to be at this level, and we will probably think about a deal for a downward trend. But for now, too early. Not just, maybe, maybe. Could you go lower? Could you please? Pretty please. Pretty please. But again, this deal is going to be against short-term trend. All right, so I don't know. Oh, we need to change. Oh, fuck, we need to change back to $100. I don't know. I don't know. See, like, the trend line is still for an upward trend. Let me look at the whole picture again. Right here, it was pushed really well in like all the previous times. Should I risk it? $100 in the context of the percentage from my account. It's not that much. But I mean, $100 is a couple of tasted dinners. Not even a couple. 3 or 4. No, I don't know. Fuck it. Really, really risky business. We kind of broke through this trend line, so let me explain. Let me explain what I did not like in this situation. We opened this deal according to resistance line, which I'm gonna draw in a second. Just you wait. And what I was afraid of. Generally, for us, we should break through this trend line right here. So that trend line with the second candlestick was broken through. And the deal is looking good now. And with this resistance level, let me put it also on the chart, a rectangle. I'm going to use the right tool. Not a horizontal line, but a freaking rectangle. Rectangle. Oh, you little. Hate it. Haven't done that in a while. Haven't hated it on a plaque in a couple of weeks. But yeah, so it's supposed to look something like that from this level. We had the first impulse, second, third one, fourth one, and this is impulse number 5. And why I was interested in this one. See, the level is really, really thick. You need to wait for the price to actually react really well. So this big red candlestick showed us that the price reacts to this level. There is first movement, impulse movement. And the second confirmation for me was for the price to break through this trend line, which it did. And there was probability that the price is going to jump even higher, unfortunately. And because we have really thick and wide resistance level, it could do the reversal somewhere in the future. But right now it looks a-okay. Hopefully I analyzed everything correctly. We have 1 more minute left. I'm going to go back to the chat, chat. Bitch, I came here to see you, Alice. Don't block me. Why would I block you? Why? I would never do that. You are almost always here. If I'm gonna block you, I'm gonna lose a part of my soul. So stop that. Don't you even think about that. No. You're doing a good job, boss. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm trying my best today. Bye-bye, Alice. Now China time, 12 a.m. and I have a physics class at 8 a.m. Have a good day, Nahid. You are in China. That's cool. That's the first time someone is from China watching my stream. That's nice. And actually, we're probably also gonna wrap it up because we have nothing on the charts. All the currency pairs are getting smaller with the payout in terms of payout. We're just like getting the last bits. But we did really good job today, actually. We had 4 deals in black and just one of them, just 1 out of 5 is in red. So give me 1 second. I want to check how much money we had at the beginning. $11,148. You see it, I don't. I have to open it. We have $150 profit. This is the end of the day. The end of the day, and that's a good profit for this situation. Oh, girl, what you doing? Consolidation started here. So looking at this candlestick, we'll see how it's going to be closed, and we will probably go into a deal for an upward trend here. Don't hurry. Don't get ready. You're a GPY, deal for an upward trend, but we're still looking at this candlestick if it's going to be closed big and thick. We're opening a deal for an upward trend. If it's going to be like a doji candlestick or a red candlestick, which it is right now, fuck it. I'm expecting jump from this level upwards, but the price is in consolidation right now. There is no impulse upwards. And it's fucking doji candlestick. Freak it. So we're waiting. We are waiting for a green candlestick. And if there will be a green one, we will work with it. But for now, moving away from it. Everything died. 4 doji candlesticks in a row. Nope. Nope. Euro, GBP, It actually jumped from that level higher. Interesting. I was thinking like if I should enter into it for an upward trend. I decided not to, but I still didn't really want to work with that. But it could work. Not for me, but for you. If you did it, good job. And I would actually work from this level for a downward trend. Because we have downward trend in the past, and I don't want to fuck it up, you know. I already did one time. Okay, so we just looked at this one, and the price actually dropped, not drop it. Was a joke. Maybe I should think about a deal for a downward trend. I don't know. It's kind of like dancing around. There might be like micro correction. The price is, yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. No, it's good. It looks bad. I don't want to risk it that much because it might just like do whatever. Just do whatever. It's too hard to read for me because the price movements are so small. Oh, baby. What are you doing? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Okay. Bit too late, but a bit too high. Now, let me explain. Same level. We worked with it before. Don't know if we need to explain it again. If you don't remember, logic is the same. We have the beautiful level. The price should rise. That's it. The only thing that I don't like about it is that we entered a really at a high point, and it could do the reversal from the top level right here. This resistance level, it's not broken through just yet, and the price could actually do the reversal. But globally, we have an uptrend, so generally working with it is a better idea. So Euro GBP 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. The biggest problem for the price to reach the top level. Oh, hey, hi, hello. Have to go. Bye, bye, relaxing. Have a good day. I'm enjoying the inside boss. Your citizen subscriber from Nigeria. Hello, hello again. I'm so happy that streams are actually helpful and useful for you guys. I get feedbacks that it actually helps for people to, you know, kind of see more information, how the strategies work, how everything can be read on the market. So really, really happy that it's helpful for you guys. All right, we have 1 minute, 30 seconds, like 20 seconds. So what I was afraid of, there is a huge probability that the price is going to drop now from this fucking level. Do we have enough time? Do we have enough time for the price not to drop? Most probably it is going to drop because of that resistance level, which is a bit terrifying. Terrifying. Guys, you know the rules, by the way. You know the rules of the stream. If you like it up, if you spam the hearts in the chat, the price is gonna do whatever we need it to do, and we need it to rise. See, I just started talking about this, and it's rising. It's all you guys. I said that many times, I'll continue saying that. Manifestation works. And that's gonna be the last deal for today. We still have tomorrow. And I will probably get the money out after tomorrow's stream ups. After Friday, it's gonna be a nice profit for a week. It's gonna be like around 11,500, which means I'm gonna get 1,000 out of it, which is nice. A nice bonus. I love it. I like it. But yeah, looking at the price, you guys doing a great job liking up the stream and spamming the heart. Spamming the heart. And speaking of this account, mind you, we started this account just for the stream. It was $10,500. I was getting money out if it was higher than 10,500, and I was getting the profit out. But one time, give me 1 second. I'm analyzing because I'm thinking about a deal for a downward trend, but we have an uptrend, and the probability of breakthrough exists. This level of resistance worked like 3 times before in the past, and we have flat forming, but according to previous uptrend, I don't want to do that. But what I was saying, I was talking about my account for the streams, and I wanted to count how much profit we have on the account. So when we started, this was the first deposit. It was 12th of December of last year. Then after each stream, I was getting the profit out. Once we had a session where we lost money, and I added $422 for the balance was logical for 10,500. So everything that we added is almost 11,000. And then again, I was getting the money out of the account. And somewhere in the middle of February, we had a little break from the streams, and one time, we lost almost $3,000. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. And starting from that point, I was trying to get my balance back. And from around like 7,000, we got back to $11,350, which is amazing. And that means tomorrow we're also going to have a stream. I will get another $150 in profit, and I will get $1,000 out in profit. All right, here the price is going down, but I'm not working with it. Let me quickly look at two currency pairs. We have breakout here. Forget about it, not working with it. Euro GBP. No, nothing super obvious, so I think it is time that we finish, because here we should wait for the price to drop even lower to the support level with USD GPY. You could wait for the price to go back to this resistance level. It's going to work as a support, and the price is going to rise. I'm giving you help for future because I'm going to stop. You can continue. And with Euro GBP, we need to wait for the price to reach this level and then drop again. So I think for today we can stop already. We have 6 deals. Only one of them is lost in mana. I lost the money. But great results for the session. Thank you so much for the stream, for being here, for supporting me, for asking all the questions, commenting on everything. Tomorrow, I'll try to come an hour early, but I will see you tomorrow if everything goes according to plan, which we know might not go according to plan. But I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here, and have a good day, good evening, good morning,